What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I haven't come to Brooklyn. Finally, I'm in Brooklyn, right under Manhattan Bridge and Brooklyn Bridge. Just came by the water. Love the river. This place is such a beautiful place. Under two bridges, this place called Dumbo. I just love this place. Always love this place. This is like, it's called Pavel Beach. It's like a mini beach right under two bridges. Let's go take a walk down there. Under Manhattan Bridge, you find so many food places over there, and you find some food places here too. There's some all the way down there, and there's some nice restaurants over here. Look at this. And you get to see the whole view right here. Such a beautiful place. Let's go down there. It's pretty cool. I like this view. Such a beautiful view. It's the ferry going that way. That's, I believe, coming from the Bronx side, since it's going towards this way. Such a beautiful vibe you get over here. So guys, in New York City, I would say Dumbo is one of the most beautiful places. This is one of my favorite places. It's like thousands of people comes here every day. And today is beautiful too. It's not too hot. The sun was out earlier, but not anymore. It was drizzling a little bit. Now it's just perfect. And then you could go all the way on the top. It's like a rooftop over there. You could go on the top. Let's go check out over there. This place, all those kids having fun. Those rides, just too good. Today it's so windy right now, especially. Feels good because of the rain. After the rain, it just became more beautiful. Imagine walking around, sitting down and enjoying yourself. Such a beautiful place. I was all the way down there chilling by the bench. Now I'm on this side, showing you guys around. The train goes from Brooklyn to Manhattan and Manhattan to Brooklyn. Let's go by the corner over there. towards the Bronx. Oh, this is going fast. Wow. Let's go around it and come back to the same place, and then I'll leave from here. That's how beautiful it is by the riverside, you see, under Brooklyn Bridge and Manhattan Bridge. Like I said, guys, one of my I would say most beautiful place in New York City. I just love this place. It's called Dumbo. Some food places you find there, and then some, you could go all the way on the top of the rooftop over there, and then here we are with all the kids and swimming. Anyways, guys, well, guys, I am leaving from here. Such a beautiful day. I enjoyed myself here, walking around, chilling. There's so many good places to get food, pizza, or any fast food. So guys, those of you new to my channel, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Love you guys all. Peace out. I'll see you guys on my next video.